Let's talk more about staking or your ZIL tokens on Zillion in the next few minutes. If given a choice, if you want to do it through a centralized crypto exchange like Binance or KuCoin, or you can do it directly through the Zillion direct from your hardware core wallet such as Ledger, I will prefer the last method because it's going to give you their governance token when you are staking your ZIL tokens on the amount that are greater than 1,000 ZIL tokens. These governance tokens were all the rage that kickstart the whole cryptocurrencies market in June 2020. I would love to get my hands on these governance tokens and holding on to them moving into the next cryptocurrencies bull market. As a result, I'm extremely excited about staking ZIL tokens, earning a potential passive source of incomes based from ZIL tokens, and at the same time earning new governance tokens called ZIL. You will be hearing more about this later in this video. Moving through the list, this is Zilliqa staking URL. Let's talk about staking, why you want to stake your ZIL. There are many stake seed node operators. Later, you must choose one of them. Here are some brief introduction about each of these node operators. While there is certainly no best choice of the node operators you choose to stake your ZIL tokens with. However, having a decentralized ecosystem where each of these node operators have a percentage or share the same percentage of the stake amount would be the most ideal choice. There are commissions, they do take a small commissions of the interest that are generated through these ZIL tokens, and as a result, it is one of the main considerations of later on where you choose to stake your ZIL tokens with. There's Zilliqa, Moonlit, Fieldblock, Sats, a centralized crypto exchange. There's this eZIL. These have one of the lowest commissions amount. They charge, I believe they charge 1%. Then there's direct from the Zilliqa research. My choice would be Zilliqa, and later you'll find out there's actually no kind of reasons why I choose Zilliqa, but I think Zilliqa is direct from Zilliqa. Since I'm already a holder of Zilliqa, I should support them all the way. I'm going to use Zilliqa platforms to stake under their nodes. Although they do not give the best, they charge 2.5%. Later you'll see this amount coming in. To make sure that everyone is on the same page, you can only get ZIL tokens through staking, which means that you are interacting with their Zilliqa's smart contract, or you can choose to do it through Binance or KuCoin. The rest of the ways, some anonymous, some people that private message you talking about some kind of ways to make obscene amount of returns from ZIL tokens. You should run far away from these people. They are probably scams. When some things are too good to be true, you should take a second opinion before you actually commit yourself to them. And here are the official channels where you can find out more about ZIL staking through the source. Let's stake our Zilliqa. On the Zillion.io, I have logged in with my wallet and I have connected my hardware wallet Ledger, and now I have about 61,000 of ZIL tokens lying around on my hardware wallet. To do the staking, and you see that I have no rewards. Let's talk about ZIL. Go to the staking guidelines. Here's the FAQ. Staking is a great way to earn passive income. Here's the main advantage of why you should be doing it directly from your ZIL wallet or through your hardware wallet instead of using a centralized crypto exchange. So ZIL are a new ZRC token, which is a token standard that is on the Zilliqa mainnet that can be earned along staking rewards. ZIL will only be issued when a user withdraw their ZIL tokens from the staking through a designated SSN operators for every 1,000 ZIL tokens earned and as staking rewards. So every 1,000 you will get 1 ZIL. ZIL is essentially a governance token which empowers long-term holders to become a decision maker in the Zilliqa ecosystem. ZIL derives part of its value from its scarcity, so it will be issued for 1 year starting from the launch of the non-custodial ZIL staking on the 14th of October. I'm extremely excited about earning this ZIL. As a result, I have chosen to stake it directly through the non-custodian way, and that means not through Binance, KuCoin, or any centralized crypto exchange like that. So I have my ledger connected to this wallet already, and I'm going to do a stake. By the way, you need at least Z10. Can I stake through Ledger Nano directly? Yes. I'm going to leave 100 ZILs lying in the wallet because that will be needy when I'm going to claim my rewards and unstake my stuff, my ZIL tokens later on. It serves as a gas, like what Ether is serving as gas to the ERC20 decentralized applications. For Zilliqa, you need some ZIL tokens so that you can unstake your tokens later on. I'm going to leave 100. It is suggested by the Zilliqa FAQ to do that. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to remove 100 from my, let's do it again, okay, to make sure that I'm doing it correctly. The percentage, you can choose a lower percentage like sex and all that. It's really depending on your choice. I'm going to stick to Zillion because this is the actual decentralized wallet applications that is running on Zilliqa. The minimum staking amount is 10 ZIL. I'm going to do a stake right here. And I have just signed this transaction. Very soon I can verify this Zilliqa Block Explorer. We have to wait a while before, and currently this transaction has been broadcasted to the Zilliqa protocol. Let's wait a few more minutes to get the transaction verified in the blockchain. And when that is done, our amount of ZIL tokens will be staked. While we are waiting, let's talk about the SSN, which is represent stake seed nodes. I've chosen Zillion, which is the wallet applications that I use to access my ZIL tokens on the Zilliqa network, and I've chosen to use them as the SSN to stake for my ZIL tokens. There is no best choice, but the most ideal way is to have an equal portion of all ZIL tokens staked with all of these SSN providers. Some of them charge 0% commission rate, which means that any amount being staked through this SSN providers, you receive full interest that Zilliqa distributes to the stakers of ZIL tokens. Some of them collect a commission rate, while some collect it ranges from 1% to up to 12%. Treat this commission amount as something like a contribution back to the authority so that they can further their research and further develop the ecosystem and make Zilliqa a better protocol network and smart contract moving forward. So I've chosen Zillion. Let's see if our transaction has taken place. And yes, it is. It is accepted. It is verified. Let's refresh my wallet balance going here. Now I am seeing 61,000 of ZILs now dedicated to one seed nodes. And I have 148 ZILs in my wallet. And very soon you will see these rewards coming in with the ZIL. As soon as I have received 1,000 ZIL in return in rewards, the ZIL will come in and will be distributed. For more information, you should look up to this FAQ to find out how and what are the best ways to stake your ZIL directly from your hardware wallet. Well, if you want to take away all the technicalities, you can always choose to use Binance or KuCoin to receive purely the interest gains. But again, you are leaving the ZIL. I don't have any information that the KuCoin or Binance will be sharing the ZIL tokens with you, with ZIL being staked that manner. As a result, I've chosen to stake the ZIL tokens through the non-custody way directly from my hardware cold wallet through the platform Zilliqa.io. This marks the end of this video. If you like our content, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell. And also be sure to comment if you have any suggestions, thoughts of this video. We are running a giveaway, a weekly giveaway where my books, crypto assets for passive income. We'll be giving away one copy of my book and one copy of my digital course to a lucky winner each week. And if you want to participate and want to learn more about how we generate passive income from cryptocurrencies, be sure to give your name and email address and find the links in the description box right below this video. With that, I'm Warren. I'll see you in the next video.